Good morning, children. Today we are going to talk about different types of facial expression. Children, in the poem Noses, you all know that the mood of the child is happy. Sometimes she wants to giggle and shout. So you all know that we have different facial expressions on different occasions. Sometimes we may happy, sometimes we may sad, and on some occasion we may be surprised on anger mood, and we may be in the sense of excitement. So we have different facial expression on different occasions. So today we will discuss about it. So children, firstly we'll talk about facial expressions. You know what is a facial expression? So a facial expression is one or more motions or positions of the muscles beneath the skin of the face. You know that we have muscles beneath the skin of the face, and on different occasions these the position of muscles are different. And you know, facial recognition is often an emotional experience for the brain. So sometimes you recognize the face of your friend. Suppose your friend is in sad mood, so you say, friend, why you are in sad mood, why you are sad? So you ask the question. So you all are familiar with the facial expression. And you know, the eyes are often viewed as important features of facial expressions. So children, our eyes play an important role in our facial expression. So children, sometimes our eye are opened wide, and sometimes our eyes are short. So on different occasion, our the size of our eyes are different. These all are due to the facial expression. So you have to identify the different facial expressions. So children, the facial expressions may be happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, confusion, excitement, fear, and disgust. So these are some of the facial expressions. So now you have to observe the picture, and you all have to say about the facial expression. So children, can you identify these faces? Can you identify their facial expression? Yes, they are in happy mood. So it's about happiness. It's about happiness. Next one is children. This it seems that this person is in sad mood. So we say that it's about sadness. Sadness. Next one is children. It seems that this person is surprised. His eyes are opened wide. That shows that this person is surprised. So we say that it's surprise. This mood is surprise mood. Next, can you identify this? Children, the facial expression shows that they are in disgusting mood. Disgust. 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 Do you know the meaning of disgust? Disgust means a strong feeling of not liking of something or somebody that you feel is unacceptable. Suppose you heard some news, and then expression comes out suddenly that, oh, this disgusting news. So disgusting means not liking. Generally we can say, children. Next one, Can you identify this facial expression? It seems that she is in fear mood, and fear came out due to some reasons. So it is one of the important facial expression, fear. Fear, fear. Next one, children. Children, you can observe this picture, and you uh, clearly visible that this person is thinking something, and he is between the two part, what to do and what not to do. So children, this situation is called confusion. What do we say, children? This is the sense of confusion. 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 This situation means what to do and what not to do. This person is between the two situations, what to do and what not to do. So this situation is called confusion, and you may observe the mood, the facial expression of this person. So he is in confusion. And next one, please observe the picture, children. He is in excitement. 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 Children, you know. So, children, this was some of the facial expressions, our facial expression, and you may search out more situations, more facial expressions like anger and others by yourself. So children, please note down these facial expressions, and please memorize these situations. So that's all for today. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.